Hey Style Stars, Miss Karya here. And today we're crafting something that's not just creative, it's wearable. We're making a fabulous paper headgear that's perfect for parties, photo shoots, or just feeling fancy at home. So grab your scissors and chart papers and let's make a headband that turns heads. Step 1. Gather your materials. For this headgear, you'll need scissors, glue, scale, and protractor, pencil and marker, 2 chart papers. Pink and red, got everything? Great! Let's begin. Step 2. Making the headband strip. Take pink chart paper and cut out a strip 3 centimeters wide. This will be our headband base. Carefully cut along the lines to keep the width even. Join and glue the ends together to form a perfect circular headband. Now, let's create the top of the headgear. Step 3. Creating the headgear base. Using the same diameter as the strip, we'll measure and mark 12 centimeters for accuracy. Now, draw a square with a 12 centimeter side length. Use a pencil and ruler to mark the corner diagonals. This helps us find the center point. Now, let's make a perfect circle. Using a protractor, carefully draw a neat circle inside the square. Extend lines beyond the square. These will help in intersecting and shaping the design. Step 4. Cutting and strengthening the shape. Cut along the outer markings to get a perfect round base. To ensure a strong and sturdy fit, make small cuts around the edges. This helps in proper sticking when attaching to the headband. Now, join everything together. The structure is firm and taking shape. Now, let's add aesthetic elements. Step 5. Adding decorative elements. Take red chart paper and cut out a strip for decoration. Fold the strip as shown in the video to create a unique design. Carefully cut along the fold. When you open it, a beautiful bow shape appears. Glue the bow to the front of the headgear for a stylish touch. Want to make it personalized? Write your name or any fun text on it. Step 6. Your headgear is ready. And there you have it. A custom-made, stylish headgear that you can wear or use as a decorative piece. And just like that, your stylish paper headgear is ready to shine. Whether you rock it on your head or display it on your wall, it's got personality written all over it. If you had fun folding, styling, and creating, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fabulous DIYs. I'm Miss Karya, signing off. Until next time, keep crafting and wear your creativity with pride.